and they don't use the garden tub, which the garden tub takes more than a water heater to fill. So it's just for looks. So we're going to take this garden tub out. Alright, so if you notice there's screws here that hold, supposed to hold. That's stripped, sorta. Ah, broken tip on top of that. Okay. Well, I should have 4 or 5 of those. I took out of your film. Alright, so all these screws are stripped out. That's not always the case, but at least partially. Use a screwdriver or something. If your hand won't hold up to it. You see these a lot around bathtubs. This is a quick way to run water. You should have had a sealant right there, but dresses up this edge, what the factory did. And they don't have to be terribly tight against the wall. They can cover over a pretty good sized gap. Okay, then they have a screw right here into a stud holding it. Another one over here. And one right here. If I was concerned about saving this tub and putting it back or something, I would go underneath and pull the drain out and take this panel here off, which we will do, and disconnect it and then lift it out. But I'm not interested in saving this. Nobody wants a Harvest Gold tub, and or it's not really Harvest Gold, it's just light yellow. And see, this is the original color and it faded to a darker color. But nobody wants this, so I'm going to cut it up in pieces. And this garden tub arrangement is just not up to par for any other thing. So we will cut this thing in pieces. And that means I will tear out the wall around it. And that's what we're doing next. Normally you'd have to get a pry bar and mess around with it, but it's not really built real strong, so I'm gonna pull it up. Break it. Usually it's held off by screws. That's why scratching the wall there. But I'm going to be fixing all that, so we'll pry bar that up. Looks like got a mechanical vent there. We won't need that. We'll have to go underneath and cut it, cap it. You might could use the mechanical vent inside the wall, but I want to be careful about doing that because I don't want to go through the roof because they just put a brand new roof on. So we're going to go be back and forth through this doorway, so I'm going to take the door out since it's going out anyway. And we can get all this stuff out so we can work.